Have you ever noticed how positive thoughts seem to attract positive experiences, or how negative thinking can lead to a downward spiral? This is the essence of manifestation, the idea that our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs have the power to shape our reality. It's about understanding that we are not merely passive observers in our lives, but active creators. Manifestation is about tapping into the incredible power of our minds to create the life we desire. It's about recognizing that we are capable of achieving anything we set our minds to. This concept has been around for centuries, often shrouded in mysticism and esoteric practices. But in recent years, science has begun to shed light on the mechanisms behind manifestation, revealing a fascinating connection between our minds and the world around us. This isn't just about wishful thinking. It's about understanding the science behind how our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs influence our experiences. It's about harnessing the power of our minds to create a life filled with purpose, joy, and abundance. Everything in the universe is energy, vibrating at different frequencies. Our thoughts, though seemingly intangible, are no exception. They too emit a unique, energetic frequency. And just like a magnet attracts metal, our thoughts attract experiences that resonate with their frequency. When we focus on positive thoughts, we raise our vibration, attracting more positive experiences into our lives. Conversely, dwelling on negative thoughts lowers our vibration, making us more susceptible to negative experiences. This is not to say that we should suppress negative emotions, rather it's about acknowledging them, processing them, and choosing to focus on more empowering thoughts. Every thought we have sends out ripples of energy into the universe, shaping the reality we experience. By becoming aware of our thought patterns and consciously choosing to focus on the positive, we can begin to direct this energy towards creating the life we desire. We become conscious creators of our own reality, attracting experiences that align with our desired state of being. For centuries, scientists believed that the brain was a fixed entity, incapable of significant change after a certain age. However, groundbreaking research in the field of neuroplasticity has shattered this belief, revealing that our brains are incredibly adaptable throughout our lives. Neuroplasticity refers to the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. Every time we learn something new, have a new experience, or even think a thought, our brain's neural pathways are reshaped. This constant rewiring means that our brains are not static but dynamic organs, constantly evolving in response to our thoughts, feelings, and experiences. What does this mean for manifestation? It means that by consistently focusing on our desired thoughts and feelings, we can literally rewire our brains to create new neural pathways that support our goals. We are not limited by our past experiences or genetic predispositions. Through the power of neuroplasticity, we have the ability to consciously shape our brains and create the reality we desire. Our minds are powerful tools, but they are also susceptible to biases that can influence our perceptions and experiences. Cognitive biases are mental shortcuts our brains use to simplify information processing, but they can also lead to distorted thinking patterns. For example, confirmation bias is the tendency to seek out information that confirms our existing beliefs, while ignoring evidence that contradicts them. This bias can prevent us from seeing opportunities for growth and change. Another cognitive bias, the self-fulfilling prophecy, occurs when our expectations about a situation influence our behavior, ultimately leading to the outcome we expected, whether positive or negative. These biases highlight the powerful connection between our thoughts and our reality. The placebo effect is another compelling example of the mind's influence on our physical well-being. Studies have shown that people who believe they are receiving a treatment, even if it's a placebo, can experience real physiological changes. This phenomenon demonstrates the incredible power of belief and expectation in shaping our experiences. Section 5. The subconscious. Unveiling the hidden architect. While our conscious mind is responsible for our thoughts, decisions, and actions in the present moment, the subconscious mind operates beneath the surface, influencing our behaviors, beliefs, and perceptions without our conscious awareness. It's a vast reservoir of memories, emotions, and ingrained patterns that have been accumulated throughout our lives. Many of these patterns were formed in early childhood, often based on our interactions with caregivers and experiences in our environment. These early experiences shape our beliefs about ourselves, others, and the world around us, and they continue to influence our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors long after we've consciously forgotten about them. The subconscious mind is incredibly powerful, but it's also programmable. This means that we can rewire our subconscious beliefs and patterns to align with our conscious desires. By understanding how the subconscious mind works, we can begin to identify and release limiting beliefs that may be holding us back from achieving our full potential. Section 6. Reprogramming the subconscious. Techniques for transformation. Reprogramming the subconscious mind is a process that requires patience, consistency, and a willingness to challenge deeply ingrained beliefs. Fortunately, there are several powerful techniques that can help us access and rewire our subconscious minds. Visualization is a powerful technique that involves creating vivid mental images of our desired outcomes. By engaging our senses and feeling the emotions associated with achieving our goals, we send powerful signals to our subconscious mind, increasing the likelihood of manifestation. Affirmations are positive statements that we repeat to ourselves, either silently or aloud, to reprogram our subconscious minds. By consistently affirming our desired beliefs and outcomes, we can gradually replace limiting beliefs with more empowering ones. Meditation is a practice that involves quieting the mind and focusing on the present moment. Through regular meditation, we can calm the chatter of the conscious mind, allowing us to access the deeper levels of our subconscious. This state of deep relaxation and inner peace creates a fertile ground for reprogramming our subconscious minds. Section 7. Quantum Physics and Manifestation. A glimpse into the unknown. Quantum physics, a branch of science that studies the behavior of matter at the atomic and subatomic levels, has introduced some mind-boggling concepts that challenge our traditional understanding of reality. One of the most intriguing aspects of quantum physics is the idea that consciousness plays a fundamental role in shaping reality. At the quantum level, particles exist in a state of superposition, meaning they can exist in multiple states simultaneously until they are observed. The act of observation seems to collapse the wave function, causing the particle to settle into a single state. This suggests that consciousness is not merely a passive observer, but an active participant in shaping reality. While the connection between quantum physics and manifestation is still being explored, it offers a tantalizing glimpse into the possibility that our thoughts and intentions may have a more direct influence on the fabric of reality than we previously imagined. Section 8. Practical Manifestation. Aligning thoughts, feelings, and actions. Manifestation is not about sitting back and waiting for our desires to magically appear, it's about aligning our thoughts, feelings, and actions with our goals. Clarity of intention is crucial for effective manifestation. We need to be crystal clear about what we want to manifest, defining our goals with as much detail as possible. Vague desires lead to vague results. Emotional alignment is equally important. We need to feel the emotions associated with achieving our goals as if they have already manifested. Feeling the joy, gratitude, and excitement associated with our desires amplifies the manifestation process. Finally, manifestation requires action. Our thoughts and feelings create the foundation, but action brings them to life. We need to take inspired action towards our goals, trusting that the universe will conspire to support us along the way. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the journey of manifestation. Manifestation is not a magic formula or a quick fix. It's a journey of self-discovery, growth, and transformation. It's about understanding the incredible power of our minds and harnessing that power to create the life we desire. It's about aligning our thoughts, feelings, and actions with our goals, and trusting in the unfolding of our journey. There will be challenges along the way, moments of doubt, and setbacks that test our resolve. But by embracing the principles of manifestation and committing to the process, we can overcome these obstacles and create a life filled with purpose, joy, and abundance. Remember, the power to manifest your dreams lies within you.